Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it is giving you an EA4 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So the EA4 error basically is saying that on the terminal block that it's detecting some kind of faulty wiring. So if this is just coming up out of the blue, the first thing to do in order to get rid of this is just to disconnect your dryer from the power. That means unplug it from the wall or disconnect it from the circuit or turn it off at the circuit and leave it disconnected for a full 5 minutes. Then turn it back on and see if that doesn't clear out this error. The next thing that you're going to want to do if that doesn't fix it is you're going to actually have to check the terminal block and make sure that all of the wires are connected. There's nothing damaged, disconnected, crossed, and all that kind of stuff, and repair or replace anything as necessary.